Hey goodies, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you 5 keto recipes that you can make from one rotisserie chicken. Yes, one rotisserie chicken will give you 5 delicious meals. As a busy mom of 3, I'm always searching for quick ways that I can stay on track but still eat good. You know what I mean? Make sure the food tastes good and make sure everything is right. Yes, I do that with this rotisserie chicken. So I'm going to get my chicken from Sam's and make these meals. If you're interested in saving some time with me and picking up on some nice, delicious recipes, stick with me. Having this rotisserie chicken hack is a lifesaver, and I want to share with you today because you're part of the goody crew. Yeah, you got to get in on some of the tips and tricks. And if you haven't subscribed yet, like, what are you doing? Subscribe, hit that bell icon, and I'll see you in the rest of the video. Our first step in prepping the chicken is getting rid of this annoying string. These kitchen scissors are everything. They really get the job done. Now that the rotisserie chicken has been cut up into pieces, I want to work on the breasts, and I'm going to cut them into about 1-inch pieces. I forgot to take off the skin. My husband hates the skin, so you're going to see that I had to remove the skin, all those little pieces, after I did this. I'm just giving the chicken a final chop just to make sure it's enough to spread across my different meals. If you watch my other videos, you know what I'm going to say here. Make sure you burn your curry. Here I'm adding some chopped garlic, a whole onion, and thyme. And I'm not going to eat all of that onion, so keto police, please don't come for me. It's just to flavor the chicken. So now that the onion looks somewhat translucent, I'm going to add my rotisserie chicken pieces, the leg, a wing, and a breast, just to soak up all of that flavor. Here I'm adding some all-purpose seasoning because I put it on everything. And I'm also adding some broth just to make a gravy so that the chicken can soak in it and absorb the flavor. And I'm going to let this simmer until the gravy thickens a bit, and then we'll plate it. Quesadillas are so quick and simple to make. First, we add some salsa, and I added some jalapenos, and I'm using a measuring spoon just to make sure I don't overdo it with the salsa. You can use whatever cheese you like, but I like Havarti. It's my absolute favorite, so that's what I use in my quesadilla. I placed my quesadilla in the toaster oven for about 2 to 3 minutes, or just until it was browned, and now we're ready to cut and plate it. Can't wait to taste this delicious quesadilla. Look at that cheese. Look at that melty cheese. Jerk chicken salad sandwich is my daughter. You met her in my keto sushi video. It's one of her favorite after school meals. So I make this pretty often for her. You won't be disappointed with this flavor. Oh my God, it's so good. So you saw I just cut up about 2 tablespoons worth of red onion, and I'm going to cut half a jalapeno. I'm going to take some of those seeds out, but I'm going to keep some of them for a little kick, a little spice. Make sure you wash your hand after touching those jalapenos and the seeds. I totally forgot that I did that, and I rubbed my eye with the same hand, and my eye was burning. Now we're going to add about a tablespoon of mayonnaise. I use Duke's mayonnaise, and about half a teaspoon of jerk seasoning. I'm not sure if you know, but some jerk seasonings have sugar in them. So I make a mixture of my own. I will include the ingredients in the description below. Let me tell you how I had to search far and wide for this zero carb bread from Aldi. And I went to another town and finally found it. And then the Aldi in my town started selling it the next day. Oh my gosh. So I toasted the bread just for a little bit in my toaster oven, and now I'm going to add our jerk chicken salad mix to the bread, and we can eat our delicious sandwich. I must say the texture is on point. There's not much of a taste to it, so if you're looking for a flavorful bread, this is not it. But for the carb count and the texture, I'm loving it. I was so hungry, I totally forgot to plate the sandwich before taking a bite. So here is the beautiful plating of my jerk chicken salad sandwich with a bite. I'm going to add some avocado in there just to up the flavor, and I'm telling you, it was so good. With the remaining leg, breast, and wing, we're going to make garlic Parmesan chicken. First, we're going to add a red onion, some grape tomatoes, and some chopped garlic to get the flavor going. Here, I'm adding the garlic Parmesan seasoning. I bought it from Sam's. I'm sure you can find it maybe at a Walmart. I believe the company is Weber's. It adds a beautiful flavor to the chicken. I'm going to let the chicken simmer in the juices from the tomato and the seasonings, and then we plate. Here, I'm plating the garlic Parmesan chicken with some baked cauliflower mac and cheese. If you're interested in my recipe for this, let me know in the comments below and I'll add that to one of my videos. But yes, this was so cheesy and delicious. Our final recipe is going to be chicken egg roll in a bowl. I've done a video on this before. If you want a full recipe in detail, I will link the video above and you can check that out. So there you have it, 5 delicious keto recipes from one rotisserie chicken. They're all quick meals that you can go to. And if you are a mom like me and you don't always want to eat what your family's eating because it's full of carbs, this is a great escape. A rotisserie chicken. Try it and let me know if you do. Let me know if you use any of these recipes, and if you liked it, I would love to hear from you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.